All right, so a bit of a learning experience I want to share with everyone. This is one of the first super hot days that we've had here in Canada, and my charge controller almost melted down on me. Now, I was a silly goose. I had it nailed up to the wall here and in direct sunlight, which of course is never a good thing. So I have it under here, and even as I do that, I can smell melted plastic because I had too much going on it. Now, this is power PWR MR. Now I had all four of those panels wired up to it, and in and of itself, feeding the unit, it was under the 60 amps that it's rated for. So that shouldn't have been a problem, but it was. Why was it a problem? Because these suckers are 42 volts, and when I get the down step over here going to the 12 volt batteries, it brings the amperage up to about 77, which is completely unreasonable, especially since it was directly in the sun. Now, what I didn't realize was that since I step it down, the voltage bottlenecks and the amperage goes up. So I'm hoping I didn't fry that charge controller. Now, I definitely don't want to be frying these charge controllers, because as a bit of a hobby, I'm mining Bitcoin over here, right? Not much. Trust me, this isn't a great way or a great idea to be mining. But it is definitely a lot of fun. I'm definitely learning a lot. It just sucks when learning also involves buying new things and working with things that aren't exactly free. Apparently, I can only hook about 3 of these suckers up at any given time. I burnt my finger on the charge controller. Magic 8 Ball didn't see that coming. That's no good, no. Colonel, I expected you to warn me about this kind of stuff. Looks like I need to get me some better charge controllers and some place outside, away from the sunlight and away from the rain, which I can use them. Hey, maybe I'll wire them in here to where Skelly Beans is hanging out with. Skelly Beans, how you doing getting that arcane magic working for the Bitcoin mine, eh? Hey? He doesn't say much. He enjoys that stuff, but I had to stop smoking it myself because, man, it made me paranoid as hell. Real talk, though, guys. Don't mix antidepressants with marijuana. And maybe marijuana isn't as good for you as the antidepressants, but at the same time, man, some of those antidepressants can have a real kick, eh? Definitely not trying to have a fire hazard here. But yeah, take my advice, guys. If you're switching from a 42 volt battery to a 42 volt charger solar panel to a 12 volt battery, make sure you do the math when it comes to the amperage. Thank you very much, folks, and take care of each other, will you?